In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi to connect with any device for wireless printing and scanning. If you don't have home or office Wi-Fi network, then you can use the Wi-Fi direct of the printer. Now, first step is to switch on the printer, and we have to enter the printer into the setup mode for Wi-Fi direct. For that, we have to simply press and hold the wireless button for 3 seconds. Click on the color button and then again the wireless button. Simply go to our device. For example, I have an Android phone here. Open the Canon Print app. It will ask you to search for available printers. So click on No button and you will see here is the option Add your printer. So click on it and you have to click on the If printer cannot be found, and on the next screen we have to choose the option Select connection type. So it has auto connection and you can select as well. So click on the Select connection type. Here you will see there are two methods using the Wi-Fi wireless router or direct connection. So this is the Wi-Fi direct of the printer. So click on this and just click on the Yes button and confirm it. You don't have to do anything on your printer. Click in allow once. So it will take some time, so just give the permission whenever the app asks. It will show up set up Wi-Fi for the following printer. Simply click on the OK button. You will see it says direct setup has been completed. Click OK and it will display the printer name here, MG3600 series. On the top you will see the name of your printer's Wi-Fi, that is your printer series. Click on your printer here. Now we are adding the printer in the app. Your printer is downloaded now. Click on the cancel button and it will take you to the main screen. From here you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. Also you can see here your printer series and printer's Wi-Fi you can check in your mobile here. It will show up on the top. You will see the same printer series is showing up here. That means your phone is not connected to the internet now, it is connected to the printer. So this is the printer's Wi-Fi we are using. If you don't have home or office Wi-Fi network, then you can use this method and then you can use this printer for wireless printing and scanning. For example, to do a scan, I'll show you here. Place a document facing downwards. Click on the scan button. Click on the scan again. So this printer is really quiet in scanning, so it do not makes a lot of noise. Here we can see the scan has been transferred. So this way we can do the wireless scanning using the Wi-Fi direct of this printer. Thanks for watching.